been here for hours. Like, nobody told me, nobody said it was gonna be easy, but nobody said it was gonna be this hard. Like, this hairstyle is so hard to do on yourself. Hey, hi babes. So I'm back once again. Before we even start, because y'all know what time we are. So before we even start, I want to say thank you to everybody that watched my last video, that subscribed to my channel, and that, you know, liked it, shared it, all of that good stuff. I want to say thank you because I really do appreciate it. And for my first video, it went well. It sure did went well. That was a vlog, and I'm gonna vlog some more. Trust me, like, I'm looking at uploading 2 days a week. Feel me? So yeah, but today, y'all already saw by the thumbnail. I mean, y'all saw before I did, to be honest, because I don't know how this gonna turn out. But today I'm trying a new hairstyle. This hairstyle, brand new. Well, not really, but to me, it's brand new because I haven't tried it before. And just came back from the beauty store. I'm gonna show y'all what I got, and let's see how this goes. So you guys, in the beauty store, I picked up some Shine and Jam. If you do your own hair, this will have your parts looking clean. I was gonna get Water Wave, but I decided not to, and actually picked up 3 free twists, pre-fluffed twist locks, you know. I got those, and I needed another pick, so had to go get another pick real quick because I can't just comb out my hair with a regular comb. I need me a pick. Right now, what I'm doing is just combing out my hair. I took out one half, or the one side, and I'm taking out the other side. And don't mind my face, y'all. I promise you, it does not hurt. I'm just really dramatic with my hair. So I was just taking that out so I could continue combing it out. And the white stuff on my hair is the gel. You guys, I have not found a gel that does not flake. If you have, you know, if you do your natural hair, you have a gel that does not flake, please let me know. But anyways, that's my hair. It shrunk, so not too much on it, but that's what it looks like when I comb it out. That's why I needed the pick, you guys, because the regular comb can't do that. The pick be hitting spots. So I just finished combing everything out, and then I'm gonna show you what it looked like. Y'all know that one girl from Steven Universe? If I find her, I'm gonna put her in. Anytime I blow out my hair, that's what I feel like, that girl from Steven Universe. But anyways, I use 2 things to part my hair. Not that. I use this, which is like, it's this, but it's just off. I use this to just go over it freely first. Then I use this. Y'all see the little space? That's what I use with the Shine and Jam to clean it up. So I'm gonna part it, and then I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. Quick update, okay? It is 3:48, right? I started that after 1. You know, let's say 1:10, around that time. And I only did 3. This one is the best out of all of them. Don't mind that little puff. It's my hair trying to be stubborn. This one is the best out of all of them. This is the worst. That's okay. Okay? But y'all, I'm getting it. Nobody told me, nobody said it was gonna be easy, but nobody said it was gonna be this hard. Like, this hairstyle is so hard to do on yourself, and parting is so important. So parting, like, the back of my hair is a struggle, and I've watched so many videos on it. A lot of them start with the front and then they go to the back. I rather start from the back and then go to the front because the back is not that important, so it allows me to practice for the front. And the parting, oh my god, if you look at the back of my head, I'm gonna show y'all soon, but when I get to like up here, when I get closer to up here, I'm gonna show you guys how I do it, because it'll be easier for me to just, you know, turn my head and show you. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. But this one, I'm so proud, so proud. Okay, so like I said, y'all, it's a lot of trial and error. I've been here for hours, like, trying different methods, doing different things. I'm low-key tired. I want to take a nap. But this, I think I figured out how to do it. I mean, I'm more so focused on getting the front to look good. I don't really care about the back all that much, even though the back is rough. The back does not look how I want it to look, but that's fine because I still haven't opened up a new pack of hair yet, and I have 3 packs. Oh, and that 1 pack isn't finished. Like, I think I have more than enough hair, so when I am done with the front, I'm gonna go over the back, touch it up a little bit so it could look like the front. This was the feed-in method, and then the runs in the back with the crochet method. Why is the feed-in method easier than the crochet method? But you know what? I'm gonna go around, come back to you guys, show you guys on this side what I did, show you guys on the top what I did. So I'm getting there. I just want to make sure that I know it so I could tell you, yeah, you feel me? So just wait on.
1 eternity later.
Hey, if I could wink, I'll be winking, but I can't. Anyways, I know I showed y'all this one, but I changed it to a little heart. I gotta redo it because I had it in for mad long. It is like 1:30-ish, sometime around there, and I would have finished faster if I stopped taking breaks. Every 5 minutes I take a break. I go on TikTok, I go on Netflix. Yeah, Alice in Borderland, highly recommend. I recommend it. If y'all got any movies, let me know because I'm down to watch. Like, anyways, so this is what the top look like. Don't mind this little thingy right here. That's the shining jam. That's what it look like. Left edges out, not too much. But this is what it's looking like so far. Do I like it all that much? No, not really. I don't. I wish it was a pop of color in there, a little spice, some little, for me, Salt Bay type. But I don't know. I think I'm gonna just continue with it, finish it, style it, and I'm gonna show y'all. Oh, I said I was gonna show you how I do it. Okay, so I'm gonna part this right here over the heart. I'm gonna part it, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all, show y'all how I do it. So what I'm doing right now is just parting it, and y'all don't mind me. I was watching Netflix, this show called Alice in Borderland, and I was getting so distracted. Like, I reached towards the end where the whole plot and everything was just coming out, and I was just like, wait. So you're gonna see a lot of facial expressions because that show was, the amount of twists and turns that show had. But yeah, y'all can see for yourselves. I just part it, and I'm gonna put the shining jam on it and then show you guys how I twist it. So this is how much hair I used and how I separated it. I took 2 bundles, or yeah, bundles, I guess you could say. I got distracted again, but I used 2, even though you see 3, I used 2. Separate one into 2 pieces, and then I'm gonna separate another one into 2 pieces, and out of those 4, I only use 3 pieces for the twist. So I added in one by one. So add one, then twist down, add another one, twist down, and add another one. You guys are gonna see how I do that, but right now I'm just parting it to make my flat twist, and then I'm gonna explain the flat twist and how I add in my pieces. So what I'm doing right now is the flat twist. I did the first one, twist. I twist them in opposite directions So that's the flat twist. You just twist your hair down. And the hardest part for me was twisting both of them together because they will unravel. I hope you guys understand how I'm explaining it. So what I'm doing right now is twisting them together. If you don't twist them in the right direction, it will unravel the flat twist. So the flat twist is the one that kind of looks like a cornrow, but it's a twist. So this is me adding hair. It's my first piece of hair. I twist the extension with my real hair on both sides, and I did it in opposite directions. And then I started twisting everything all together while still twisting the hair. So like I'm twisting it and I'm like twisting it. You're gonna see a close-up what I'm doing. This is what I'm talking about. So I twist the extension hair with my real hair and twist both sides, and then I twist everything together. That's what I mean. So that's what I'm doing right now. Then I just finish twisting everything, go all the way down, and then I'm going to show you guys how I did the barrel twist at the bottom. So for the barrel twist, I show you guys how to do it, and I'm gonna show you again, so y'all get it. Hope you guys are like finding this informative. Hope it's helping. So all I did was flip the braid or flip the twist back up and then twist it around. That's literally it. Just keep twisting and twisting and twisting until there's no more hair left to twist. And then I'm gonna show you guys how I lock it. So I just kept twisting and twisting the last strand, twist everything around. It doesn't need to be perfect, just needs to look like a barrel. So then I get this lock-in gel, put some in my hand. I don't know why I was laughing. I laugh at anything. Anyways, I put some in my palm, rub it up, and then rub it together. That way it stays locked. I also do it on the twist so it stays put. And that's how I do that. I'm finally looking a little bit bright. I'm finally done. Do I like it? It's okay. It's nice. It's durable. It's kind of cute. Like, I tried to do my edges a little bit just to show y'all how it looks, like, you know, fully put together. But this edge control is not doing it. I use this. Embarrassing. It's just not working out. Like, it's, y'all see how it's flaky already? But anyways, this is the top. This is the top. The sides, the side. Anyways, it's mad cute. I really like it. I like how the barrels turned out. These things at the bottom. I really like how they are. It's super cute. As for styling it, I don't know how styling it goes. I don't know how I'm gonna style it. I was gonna do like a little head wrap style. I don't know, but this is really cute and I really like it like this. And then I was thinking like maybe something like this with a claw clip. Yeah, that's what it's called. And then I have a little heart right here. I'm gonna touch it up, but that's my heart, so I want to do a style that shows my heart too. But so far, this little flip everything to the front. Yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. You see, I'm feeling it. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna be posting more. Like, I don't have like content block because I know what I want to post. It's just to go out. I don't know. I want to change the scenery and I just don't know where to go. I don't want to be like in my room all the time. So I'm trying to switch it up, but I don't know how to switch it up. So I'll be trying. Just bear with me. But I'm going to link down below the videos that I use for reference because the little twisting that I showed you, that probably didn't even help you. So I'm going to put them in the description box. The channels that I also watch, I think it's like 3 or 4 of them. To help you guys. And thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, you're gonna love it here, I promise. And if you're not, thank you so much for circling back. You know, I hope you miss me because I missed you. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video, which hopefully is my visual diary. So make sure to tune in. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I mostly post on my Instagram, so any updates, whatever, is going to be on my Instagram. And for the next video that I have in mind, I will need you guys to ask me questions on Instagram so I can answer it as a, you know, Q&A, get to know me better on here. So that's coming up, but bye.